The iPhone 18 Pro design rumored to be basically unchanged from iPhone 17 Pro, which doesn't surprise me. This design allegedly isn't going anywhere, which shouldn't shock anyone. If you're a fan of the iPhone 17 Pro's new look, but still don't plan on picking up a new gadget this year, you're in luck. Because Weibo leaker Digital Chat Station predicts that the iPhone 18 Pro should remain with the same kind of appearance next year. Digital Chat Station reports that the iPhone 18 Pro engineering prototype includes a rectangular camera housing, with a camera layout that looks identical to iPhone 17 Pro. The phone is also rumored to retain the 6.3-inch display, or 6.9-inch for the Pro Max, and stainless steel vapor chamber. However, there may be some modest adjustments, like a subtle transparent finish on the phone's rear glass panel. More of the same. Naturally, because the phone is still a prototype, things can, and very certainly will, change between now and the iPhone 18 Pro's debut event. Though I would be astonished if Apple discarded the new unibody design after a single generation, especially considering all the physical improvements the elevated camera bar is supposed to offer. In the comments, Digital Chat Station also reaffirmed speculations that the ordinary iPhone 18 may be delayed. We've heard that story before, with predictions that Apple could release the iPhone 18 with the iPhone 18e. That would be 5 or 6 months after the regular fall release window, where Apple is likely to debut iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, and the iPhone Fold. One of the most talked about upgrades is the rumored revamp of the dynamic island. Apple is apparently developing more tiny Face ID sensors, which would allow for a smaller and less invasive dynamic island. While under-display Face ID technology is not likely to emerge until at least the iPhone 20, this revamp might still dramatically boost the user experience. By lowering the size of the dynamic island, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might offer more usable screen space, producing a sleeker and more immersive interface. This enhancement would achieve a balance between looks and usefulness, making everyday interactions with the device smoother and more engaging. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is said to have a big revamp in its camera system, with Apple apparently shifting from Sony to Samsung sensors. This change could provide a 200-megapixel sensor, signifying a major boost in image resolution and detail. Additionally, the addition of variable lens technology may enable the camera to dynamically adjust to varied lighting conditions, making sure optimal performance in any scenario. These advances are projected to deliver 1. Sharper and more detailed photographs. 2. Improved performance in low-light environments. 3. Enhanced video recording quality. For photography professionals and casual users alike, these changes might make the iPhone 18 Pro Max a standout device for capturing life's moments with unrivaled clarity and precision. At the core of the iPhone 18 Pro Max lies the reported 2nm chip, a first in the smartphone market. This new processor is intended to bring a number of performance gains, including 1. Faster speeds compared to the 3nm processor found in the iPhone 17. 2. Greater energy efficiency, leading to increased battery life. 3. Improved thermal management for sustained performance. Apple usually upgrade its vapor chamber every year, and this is to further increase performance. Apple may add vapor chamber cooling technology, making sure the device remains cool even during resource-intensive operations such as gaming or video editing. This combination of superior processing power and efficient cooling could alter expectations for smartphone performance, making the iPhone 18 Pro Max a powerhouse for both productivity and entertainment. Battery life is a vital component for every smartphone, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max is said to excel in this regard. Reports claim the presence of a new C2 or C2X chip designed to improve power usage without losing performance. This processor is expected to handle advanced connectivity technologies like as Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, all while extending battery life. For users, this means fewer interruptions and a device that can keep up with demanding tasks like streaming, multitasking, and gaming. The improved battery efficiency could make the iPhone 18 Pro Max a trustworthy companion for both work and leisure. Apple's reputation for perfect hardware and software integration is poised to reach new heights with the iPhone 18 Pro Max. The combination between the superior 2nm chip, enhanced cooling systems, and optimized battery management could result in a device that feels faster, smoother, and more reliable. Whether you're juggling numerous apps, editing high-resolution films, or indulging in resource-heavy games, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is intended to give a consistently high level of performance. This seamless integration could increase the whole user experience, making the gadget not simply powerful, but also intuitive and efficient. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be a huge step forward in smartphone technology. With a revised dynamic island, a new 200-megapixel camera, the industry's first 2nm chip, and better battery efficiency, the gadget claims to bring a blend of power, innovation, and convenience. If these sources prove genuine, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might set a new benchmark for what a smartphone can do, giving a gadget that is not only more competent, but also more attentive to the demands of its customers. In conclusion, it's a move I'm not exactly delighted about, assuming it actually plays out that way. It makes very little sense to release a Pro model without a basic iPhone 18 to compare it to. Then again, Digital Chat Station comment implies that it might not happen, which would surely be the smarter choice, in my opinion. It's all still very early, and with the iPhone 18 debut not happening for almost a year, there's still plenty of time for plans to change, or for early speculations to be discredited. So, we'll just have to watch how this all plays out over the course of the next 12 months. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Goodbye, and see you tomorrow.